Hi everyone, I hope that you're doing well and I'm looking forward to seeing you tomorrow in class, Tuesday on the 31st of March from 2:40 to 3:30. Um, we will be meeting at regular class times, and what you'll need a computer is best. You can actually download a WebEx app on your phone, but the computer is probably the better experience if you have that or a tablet. It does help if you have some, these are just my phone earbuds with a little microphone on it. If you have fancy earbuds, great, use those. Or if you have a headset with a microphone, but I don't want you to sweat the microphone too much. There is a chat tool, so you can communicate that way. And also, if you don't have a webcam, then don't sweat that. Don't go out and buy one. It is fun to see everybody, but if we do have trouble um, with the transmission of the class, then I might actually ask students to turn the video off. So, but anyway, you just need to see me. I think if you don't see a screen, that's going to be really difficult. And if you can't hear me, it's not worthwhile either. I will record these class sessions in case you do have to miss one. So it will not be instantaneously available, but it'll be available probably within a few hours. So the thing that you need to do after you have the computer and any way to hear, communicate is to go to this link that is in the announcements tool. You can bookmark it in your computer. You can just go to this announcements link in D2L and just click on it. And the first time you're going to download an app, and it's going to then ask you for your name and your email. Just use your Front Range email, and then you're going to get a screen like this. I will probably control the microphones because it can be really distracting to have everybody's microphone on at once. So that's one of the secrets to these kind of meetings, is that we may have to have everybody muted except for the person who's talking. Um, and anyway, these are the microphone and video controls, and then you just, in this case, I'm starting the meeting, and it says waiting for others to join. Hopefully you'll see me there. I'm going to get on to this site about a half an hour before the class starts. If you want to do that to just make sure you have connection and then kind of hang out until class starts, that would be all great. Um, and anyway, we want to have, for the first session, we want to have worksheet number 8. We're going to work on diluting solutions, but we're going to have probably a shortened class, and I'm going to allow folks to be able to have time to get onto this all together, and just to kind of check in with you on this first meeting. So anyway, looking forward to seeing you tomorrow. Bye.